Hey traders, Mike Katz, 7 Points Capital, coming to you on Friday, Black Friday. Seemed like the market was a little bit lower and overall a half day, quiet day. And I think most people were just looking to do a little bit and not get hurt on a day like today. And that was my plan coming into today. So I didn't do a whole lot. I think the biggest position I had was like 10 or 15,000 shares, and it was just barely worth trading in my opinion. But there were some trades. The desk was half full, and some guys did okay in Tesla. That was a weak one early on, and then sideways for a couple hours, but that was a nice drop early. Seemed like tech was weak today. And let's see, let's get this bigger. So we could see that there's still weakness in tech. Amazon is curling down again on a day like Black Friday, holiday weekend. I think they should have done better with sales around the corner for Cyber Monday. We'll see if that has any impact. But look, it was acting worse than the SPYs today. So looking at how the SPYs were going, rallying in the morning, first half of the session, Amazon was not able to do that. I had that pop in the morning and then just faded the rest of the day. So this one was weak today, Apple as well, and Netflix. Lots of weakness here, I think, relative weakness versus the market. So we'll see how this plays out next week. And I was just trading some TIS this morning, just trying to stay safe, nothing too big, nothing too crazy. This popped after hours on a PR on Wednesday. Was he able to get a locate, which was nice. Some of the locates have been a little bit tougher recently on these low floaters, but this one was able to get, and I think we did okay as a firm in this one. The $2 break was pretty good. Not a whole lot of follow through after the 160 break here, but there was a nice drop in the morning, and I think I traded a little bit of NVDA. Again, tech was weak. I had that pop, and I was looking at this on a 1 minute basis, and then put in this topping tail, putting another doji here on volume. We can see that there at the top, and then just started fading the rest of the day. So this was okay. And what else? AMD I was in for a little bit. Not a lot of action today. The banks looked like they were going to kind of be stronger. Bought some here on this break, but then I ended up pulling back. So this one is going to be on my radar. Overstock. We've traded this one before. We've done really well with this whenever it was, up here in the 60s and 70s after the the Bitcoin craze was coming to an end. This one was a fader pretty nicely, and they said that they might be selling their retail division, and I think that's why it got a pop. But if you think about it, if they're going to sell their retail division, what's going to be left? There's not going to be that much left. They have the T0 on the Bitcoin side, on the blockchain side, but I don't know. It doesn't sound like there's a whole lot going on there. So we'll see. This could be a decent trade next week. It'll be on my radar. I left it here as stocks to watch. Too bad ABIL. They had an offering overnight, so this one dropped. Didn't really get a chance to participate in this one, but it was on my radar to come in and look at this one for the backside. But it was already much lower. It dropped another 50 cents or so after the open, but didn't get involved in that. And I think that's it. So hopefully everybody's enjoying this holiday long weekend. Thanksgiving was great and good family time. The turkey was amazing. And go get some shopping done. I personally will wait for some online sales and do some of that because I am not walking into a store and getting trampled. So hopefully everybody enjoys. Thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays. And this is Mike Katz with 7 Points Capital with today's Trader Takeaways.